Alright, so this is my racing bike, which I don't really use. I have blue volume grips on it with these little crappy bar ends. Red line bars, some brake lever, I don't know where it's from. A red line hollow point stem. Auto racing forks. Some fucking hub leased to some fucking rim. And power block tires front and back. Haro SR 2.8 in blue, which is really nice, it's light. I have a Fusion seat post and a Redline seat. Fusion cranks, I'm guessing it's a whole crank set, and then these pedals are Redline. Pretty nice. Same back wheel setup kind of thing going, I don't really know what the fuck they are. Redline chain tensioners, some Haro seat post, and that's about it. The brakes actually are Tetro, so I'm guessing that's what the lever is. So, that's my racing bike check. I don't really ride it a lot, and I might sell it soon, so if you're interested, talk to me about it, PM me. Alright, bye.